Now we'll take a look at an example from the Tal Memorial 2007 between Shirov and Carlsen. This position was reached, as you can see, white has sacrificed in exchange for a pawn. The position, although there isn't a huge amount left of the structure, was originally an open Ruy Lopez, in which black's pawn on d5 is characteristic, and white had a pawn on e5, which he recently advanced to e6 and took on f7. So white's given up the exchange, but in return he has this very strong pass pawn on c6. And Carlsen's last move was rook from d8 to d6, so attacking that pawn again. But Shirov found a wonderful tactical strike, which gave him a clear advantage. So white to play.